Ever looked at a video and thought, this is almost perfect, except the person in it is not my character, my brand mascot, or the spokesperson I actually wanted? That is where CloudMySite character swap video comes in. It takes a character image, takes a reference video, and helps create a new clip that follows the motion of the reference. Basically, the reference video brings the dance moves, and the character image brings the outfit. Character swap video uses two uploads. First, the character image. That is the person, avatar, mascot, product character, or visual subject you want in the final clip. Second, the reference video. That controls the movement, framing, timing, and length. Think of it as a tiny video recipe. The image says who should appear. The video says what they should be doing. This is useful for creator clips, spokesperson videos, launch announcements, social ads, landing page promos, mascot videos, and campaign ideas. Instead of starting from a blank prompt every time, you can use a reference clip to guide the action. It is especially handy when your creative direction is clear, but your calendar says, please do not open a full video editor today. Example 1, a brand mascot. Upload a clean mascot image. Then use a simple reference video where someone gestures toward a product. CloudMySite can create a clip where the mascot follows that product demo style motion. This is great for social posts, launch teasers, or making your brand character do more than stare heroically from the corner of your homepage. Example 2, a spokesperson style announcement. Use a polished portrait or avatar image. Then pair it with a short reference video of someone pointing, presenting, or reacting. The result can become a short announcement clip for a feature launch, special offer, or landing page. Keep it short and simple. If the reference video has 5 people, 3 jump cuts, and a camera doing parkour, the result may also choose drama. Example 3, a local business promo. A restaurant could use a chef-style character image with a reference video showing a quick presentation gesture. A salon could use a stylist character. A real estate business could use a guide character walking into frame. The point is not to create a full movie. The point is to create a short, useful clip that makes your website or social post feel alive. Here is the basic workflow. Open CloudMySite Video Studio, choose Character Swap Video, upload your character image, upload your reference video, choose Standard or Professional Quality, review the credit estimate, and select Generate Character Swap. Then let CloudMySite work. Character swap can take a few minutes, so this is a good moment to refill coffee, not refresh the page 15 times like it owes you money. For the character image, use one clear subject, good lighting, and a clean composition. JPG, JPEG, PNG, BMP, and WEBP are supported. Keep the image 5 megabytes or smaller. The image should be at least 200 pixels wide and tall, and no larger than 4096 pixels wide or tall. Avoid crowded group photos, heavy blur, tiny faces, and giant text overlays. The cleaner the image, the better the handoff. For the reference video, use MP4, AVI, or MOV. Keep it 200 megabytes or smaller, between 2 and 30 seconds, and at least 200 pixels wide and tall. Short, simple videos work best. One main subject. One clear action. Stable framing. If the reference clip is confusing to a human, it is probably not going to become suddenly philosophical and figure itself out. Standard quality is best for drafts, tests, and lower-cost previews. Professional quality is better when the source files are strong and the clip is close to final. Character swap video credit used depends on the reference video length and selected quality. The watermark setting depends on your plan. If you are making a final ad, website hero clip, or client-facing video, check quality, credits, and watermark before generating. If the button is disabled, check that both files are uploaded, both files pass validation, and your account has access to character swap video. If the character does not look right, try a clearer image with one subject and better lighting. If the motion looks strange, use a simpler reference video with fewer cuts. And if CloudMySite says the media could not be reached, re-upload both files and try again. One important note, use media you own or have permission to use. Do not upload a real person, employee, customer, performer, or copyrighted character unless you have the rights to use their likeness in the final video. Character swap video is powerful, which means the boring responsible sentence is actually important. Use it for brand-safe, permission-friendly creative work. So that is CloudMySite character swap video. Character image tells CloudMySite who should appear. Reference video tells it how the clip should move. Use clean files. Keep the reference short. Start with standard quality and move to professional for final clips. If you want more CloudMySite Genie tutorials, subscribe and go make your mascot useful. It has been waiting for a job.